2020 was set to be a great year to be a Jackrabbit. A new decade, another year for championships, for world-class performances, for groundbreaking research, for the latest class of graduates ready to change the world. Then, our world changed.
All public university courses in South Dakota will take place through remote delivery through the end of the semester. The board said COVID-19 is forcing it to adjust.
More than 500 South Dakotans have tested positive for COVID-19. The majority of them live in the Sioux Falls area.
I sincerely appreciate your patience and understanding as we continue to adjust the university as best we can in light of these unprecedented times.
This past year, we've been through a lot. We came together while remaining 6 feet apart. We prepared. We were innovative. We met our educational mission to train and educate the next generation of Jackrabbits to enter the workforce. We reached new heights. We solved challenges. As we close the books on another year, let's turn our attention to a new beginning. Whatever 2021 brings, we know we're stronger for what we have accomplished in the past 365 days. Happy New Year, Jackrabbits. Let's make it a great one.